I am L.I Adeleke. Welcome to our hub. Feel free. Welcome to the 29th edition of Happy Weekend Podcast. Thanks for staying tuned. In today's edition and next, we'll be discussing the topic, your intuition. Stay tuned. Follow your heart, they say. But sometimes following your heart and doing your own bidding might, at the end, lead you nowhere, and most times, leaving you with lots of regret. Your intuition, which is basically your mental ability to make spontaneous decisions in relation to how you feel about something or someone, can actually be your best tool in your decision-making processes, and can, on the other hand, become your worst nightmare and number one enemy. How do you harness your intuition to making better and more rewarding choices and decisions? Your intuition in making decisions can either make you or break you. In following your heart, you need directions. Thanks for staying tuned for today's podcast. In the next edition, we'll be discussing more on the definition of intuition and how to really harness your intuition, your inner voice, to making better decisions in the future. Keep living. Stay alive. I am L.I Adeleke. Catch you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, our hub. Feel free network for more. Happy weekend.